Hello everybody, here I'm back again. The thing is that as I've been suffering from this sore throat, right now just sat around for half an hour and maybe more than that in the sun. And then I basked the sun and then now it seems to be quite okay. It's not that bad. Later, like in future. So ultimately, what can we do right now over here? I hope I'm not facing the network issue and all. Let me be sure about this thing. Yeah, it's okay. What is the goal of this particular live? First of all, it's gonna be around, what time is it? 3:21. So 1.5 hour long live. And the main thing that I'll be focusing on, half an hour I will be giving to this Paytm project that I was working on. Mainly I have to get the basic setup ready, and after that I'll simply be going ahead, as simple as that. I hope I'm audible, and let's continue from here on. And the first thing that I can do over here, to be precise, let's keep it like this. I learned about the auth in Next a long time ago. Then I never used that, and then I forgot that how great thing it is. But yeah, this is something that happened. So now I'm gonna be going through that particular lesson, and I'm gonna be revising how we do next auth in Next.js, and then after that I will simply be going ahead. So ultimately coding the code, software, web dev, like here, and the Next.js I learned over here. And not only that, after learning Next.js I learned about over here next auth. So let's talk about next auth. It's mainly about going through that again. Popular choices we have OAuth, Auth0, Clerk.com, Firebase, Base, etc. And next auth is here. Chat with the PDF. Let's check this thing out. What are we doing first of all? First of all, I'm using Next.js over here, and I'm getting session provider, and just those session providers are just simply covering. Ultimately, everything goes inside those session providers. And how do I get those session providers is something interesting. The thing is that though I learned it, but I forgot everything, so don't expect anything from me to know in advance. So I get next auth from React. Okay, I get session provider. I have wrapped with session provider over here. Then I get sign in and I get sign out. So session.status is equal to, I get session as well. Yeah, use session. So I get use session. So session.status authenticated. If the user is authenticated, then this particular sign out button should work. Even that should be visible. If a user is not authenticated, then sign in button should be visible. That's okay, understandable this much. It was me who wrote this code a long time ago. Long time in the sense 4 months ago or something. And now I'm stuck. So session provider I just wrap the remaining React components inside that, or whatever that is there, whether they are pages or components. And I get sign in and sign out, and with the help of these things, these are mainly for signing in, signing out. Okay, when you're using next auth, I get sign in and sign out for, these are just a method, and if you just call those methods, so that particular thing is going to happen. Great job. Then these are the buttons that I have. Let's get rid of this thing. What is the next thing that I can do? Then there is something called provider. Again, I get these things from next auth itself. So if I just double click on it, so what I'm getting, first of all, next auth from next auth, and using this next auth, I can have many providers, and right now I have credentials provided. Using credentials, I'm just trying to sign up over here. So I have credentials, name is credentials, of course. A credential is equal to username. It will take username is gonna be label, and type is gonna be text placeholder. It will take. Okay. Similarly, I have password, and then once this much is done, then credentials any, and return user ID. And I have to return the user ID now. Okay, slowly understanding the things. And let's check this thing out here. What is happening over here? First thing over here, we got session provider. We wrapped everything inside that. Then we got session. Using this session, I got session.status, and using that status, I'm checking whether I'm authenticated or not. If I'm authenticated, I'm showing the sign in button, sign out button. If I'm not authenticated, I'm rendering the sign in button, and I am getting two methods as well from Next.auth React, and those methods are sign in and sign out. If I just call them, that particular thing is gonna happen. Okay, this thing is great. Let's go here. What is happening over here? Then the next thing that I did, and one more thing, those things were happening where? Those things were happening inside page.tsx. That's a great thing. Then next API /auth /next.auth. Let's even check that particular route, exactly what I'm doing over there. So inside this particular route that I have, first of all I have a handler. Okay, so handler as get, handler as post. This handler that I have, I'm exporting that handler as get route as well as post route. That is great. And what is happening inside this handler? First of all, this Next.auth is coming from the Next.js itself. And then I have that Next.auth. Then I can have I can have providers inside that, and I have a provider called credentials provider. Inside that I have name, email. Credentials are gonna be username type, placeholder, defender. Okay, password is gonna be password and type this. Then after this I have another, it takes a function, and that is authorize credentials and request. Okay, const user is equal to id this, name this, email this. Okay, and what I'm doing over here, I'm simply returning the user, I'm returning else if the user exists in that case. So I've never worked with this, by the way, but overall what is happening, that over here I will check that whether the user actually exists in the database or not, and if actually user exists, so I will be returning the user from here. If user does not exist, I will not return the user, I will return null from here. Question: how can I get a user from over here? I should be getting the user using the username and password. So these are the things that I'm actually providing here. Let's continue. Really hard to speak, but okay. So these are the three things. First of all, I have pages API auth and next.auth.js. Okay. Inside this, I can actually have many providers. So suppose I have Apple provider, I have Facebook provider, I have Google provider, and I have email provider, and then they have their client ID and client secret, and passwordless server process.env email. Okay, whatever. Then I have session, the session provider I get. Okay. Then this session provider wraps everything. So suppose I have component, so it will wrap all the components, and I think I need to learn about it. It's gonna be impossible to just go through it like this. Commands I have. Overall, I need to go through Next.auth. Let's know live demo get started. First of all, I need to install npm install Next.auth. What is the next thing? Add API router. It simply says that you have to create a route, pages/API/auth, and this is the route that you will be creating. Once you have created that route, you will be mentioning everything inside that particular route. So these are gonna be the auth options. So inside the auth options, I have providers, GitHub provider, and it will take the ID and secret and all. Similarly, going ahead, I can create a app.jsx. Then these components are coming from where? This particular to be able to use session, first you will need to expose the session context. Session provider at the top level of the application. If I'm using this particular name, like where is that? This particular name, that means it will be ignored. So that means it is not the main app. Just for using purpose, we have it over here. And what do we have? We have app inside that. We are getting all the session providers and the session as well. And this session is coming from the page props itself. We are getting the components. We are getting the sessions, and too much. Use the session, sign in, sign out, then I get this particular thing, component. It's better to watch a proper video on it. I have no idea how it's done. So until unless I actually watch a video, nothing's gonna be clear. Next.auth, I hope you guys already know it. because I don't know it at all. Okay, suppose this thing is done, then I'll be installing it. Then auth options, I'm creating the auth options to credential type. Better watch a video on YouTube, and once this thing is clear, I'll be back and I'll continue from here on. Crazy stuff, but yeah, I'll have to do that anyhow. Then add auth, I'll have to add the auth as well. Okay. Next auth, I had a course as well of Next.js, but the thing is that I'm not sure where he's actually covering that. Let's check this thing out, course, and next database, state management, middleware, metadata, SEO. That means he's not covering all those things here at all. Okay. Turns out I need to learn Next.js well first, but the thing is that how many things you can learn in the same way. Just a sec, let me stop like this display, turn it off, and check this thing out first of all. I hope I'm audible, right? Though the screen is not visible, but I definitely be audible, that's right. So that's gonna be Next.js. My god, seriously. Payment okay, what can I do? 29, few things are, these things are already there, I don't need to worry about it. Okay, Superbase, authentication and authorization, this is the part. I hope he is covering Next.js. Auth client, next auth. For this, I'll have to go through all. I am in the server section, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna take 4 days to go through it all. Even if I try to go through it. Any video that I can get on YouTube. Okay, next auth. 1 hour video. Next auth v5. It turns out that before even I work on this particular project, next authentication is just in 9 minutes, really. What all is it covering here? Let's check this video out. Don't really have lots of time, but this video makes it also you explain every step. So bye, you will be best. Thanks. Bye. Your awesome video content, best video instance, so easy and best. Really, let's watch this video. I'm gonna be watching this one. And bro, can you help me out? Let me do one thing. Gonna play this video on YouTube, and we'll learn things as simple as that.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.